Today in this video we are going to learn how by using this single voltmeter we will measure two different phase voltage with the help of this selector switch. So friends, let's start the video. We all know that this voltmeter is used for measuring the voltage. In this voltmeter I am holding, if you look at the scale of voltmeter, it is from 0 to 500 volt. It means this voltmeter can be used to measure voltage up to 500 volts. Now if I want to do connections of voltmeter for measuring voltage, then at this backside of voltmeter, two terminals are there. I have to connect phase supply and neutral supply to the terminals provided here. Similarly, if you want to measure voltage of two phase, then you have to connect two phase wire here. For now, we will only learn about the measurement of single phase voltage. So what you have to do is connect a wire with this terminal. I connected a blue wire at this terminal. On the second terminal, connect another wire. I am using a black wire which is used for neutral supply. So after connecting both the wires to voltmeter, these wires need to be connected with a power supply. For this, I am using this MCB. In this MCB, you can see there is one neutral supply, Y phase power supply, B phase power supply. For now, I am taking both the wires of the voltmeter and connect neutral wire with neutral terminal and connect phase wire with phase terminal. I am performing temporary connections here because I want to tell you something more. After connecting both the wires to the MCB, when I turn on the MCB, you can see voltmeter is showing voltage reading. This means you can say that if you want to measure voltage through voltmeter, then simply at these terminals connect phase supply and neutral supply. From the point you connect power supply, how much voltage is there at that point will be measured through this voltmeter. Right now I am opening this wire from here, means remove this phase wire. At this selector switch I will connect this wire. I am using this selector switch because I can measure the voltage of both the phase wire through this selector switch. It means I can measure the voltage in Y phase, and similarly if I want to measure voltage in B phase, I can easily do it. Wiring of this selector switch is very simple. You can see the element behind the selector switch. Here NO element is used. Whenever wiring has to be done, use NO element only. Connect the wire with the output terminal of the element, means power supply for voltmeter must pass through this selector switch. You can see how wire is connected here. Connect a loop of wire along with this wire. Other end of loop of wire is to be connected with other element present. You can see how connections are performed. You have to connect two wires at input terminal of selector switch. I am connecting a yellow wire here, and with another element I am connecting a blue wire. Both these wires supply power through MCB. It means the phase for which voltage is to be measured, that phase power will be supplied through these wires. We will use yellow wire for measuring yellow phase voltage. So connect wire with yellow phase terminal. Take blue wire and connect with B phase terminal. You have to do connections like this. Let's have a review of wires used in whole wiring. After that I will explain you the working. As you can see, two-phase power supply is connected here, and through this black wire, neutral power supply is connected here. If now I turn on the MCB, what will happen is power is further supplied. After turning on the MCB, the Y-phase power supply is supplied to selector switch, and also B-phase power supply supplied to selector switch. Through this neutral supply wire, neutral power is supplied directly to voltmeter. At the output terminal of selector switch, you can see a wire is looped. Wire is looped because when you switch the selector switch to this side, then B phase power supply will be supplied to this point, and from here it goes to voltmeter. When you put selector switch to off position, you can see voltmeter also turned off. Means in this condition, no power is supplied from here. Now if I put selector switch in this position, then Y phase power supply will move through this wire to voltmeter, and your voltmeter will show the voltage. You must have observed that voltmeter is measuring voltage for single phase. It means voltage between Y phase and neutral is displayed by the voltmeter. Similarly, if selector switch is placed in this position, then voltage between B phase and neutral is displayed by the voltmeter. Right now it is showing voltage around 200 volt. I am changing the voltage little bit. You can see voltmeter is showing the fluctuation in voltage. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give like on my video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.